Study topic is trigonometry. For understanding trigonometry, we will take a right angle triangle. Okay, this is the triangle. This angle is 90 degree. Just give name A, B, C. Here we will use the Pythagoras theorem. As we know that side opposite to 90 degrees is hypotenuse. It is hypotenuse, and we take it as perpendicular, and it is base. By this right angle triangle, we will find our trigonometry ratios. Okay, we will find trigonometry ratios from this triangle. Sin theta equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse, means AB upon AC. Cos theta is base upon hypotenuse, that is BC hypotenuse to AC, and tan theta is perpendicular upon base, perpendicular to AB, and base is BC. Okay, and remaining are cosecant, secant, and cot theta, and sine. It is opposite of this, so just write it here. Secant is opposite of this, means reciprocal. If you have to find cosecant theta, then just take reciprocal of sin theta, means hypotenuse upon perpendicular. Same with secant, take reciprocal of cosecant theta. Same with cos theta, nothing much. As we see, secant theta or cosecant theta are opposite of each other, means they are reciprocal of each other, so their product will be equal to 1. Same with cosecant theta and secant theta. Cos theta into secant theta, tan theta into cot theta will be also equal to 1. And also tan is in the form of sin theta upon cos theta, and as cot theta is reciprocal of it, so cot theta will be cos theta and sin theta. Now we will try to solve some question based on trigonometry ratio, and we will have given a right angle triangle. We are given this triangle. See, it is 90 degree, it is perpendicular, it is base, and it will be hypotenuse, as it is a right angle triangle. So by using Pythagoras theorem, we can find the hypotenuse. Its for hypotenuse, Pythagoras formula is AC hypotenuse square perpendicular square plus base square. So just putting value, it is h square 12 square plus 5 square, it is 144 plus 25, it is 169, and it is whole square of 13. Hypotenuse equal 13. Now we will find all trigonometry ratio by remembering these formulas. Okay, what is sin theta? Sin theta is perpendicular upon hypotenuse, means 12 upon 13, and cosecant theta is reciprocal of sin theta, means 13 by 2. This is reciprocal of it. Similarly, cos theta is base upon hypotenuse, as base is 5 and hypotenuse is 13, so we get it as this. So, and secant is opposite of this, so secant theta equal 13 by 5. Tan theta is perpendicular upon base, but here is perpendicular is 12 and base is fine, and cot theta is reciprocal of it, so cot theta equal 5 by 12. Find all the trigonometry ratios. Now we'll try one more question based on this. Okay, we are given this question. We are given with tan theta, as we know that mainly it will be a right angle triangle, and just take this theta A B C. Tan theta is perpendicular upon base, means 4 by 3, and by Pythagoras theorem we will get it as 5 as AC square AB square plus BC square. We need to find it. It is 4 square plus 3 square means 16 plus 9. We get it 25, means AC equal 5. Okay, we need to find cos theta. What is cos theta? Is base upon hypotenuse. Base is 3 and hypotenuse 5. We get. Now we proceed further. In 2D we have, wait a second. In 2D we have two coordinates that are x and y. X, it is y axis, it is x axis. Okay, it is just center, nothing. Okay, let it is 0 degree, it is 90 degree, it is 270 degree, and it, oh sorry, it is 180 degree, and it is 270 degree. It also 360. We can write we can write it as 2 pi. It is pi by 2. It is pi. It is 3 pi by 2. Okay, as pi equal 180 degree. Okay, it is first quadrant, it is second, it is third, and this quadrant is fourth quadrant. Okay, all the trigonometry ratios are positive in this. All are positive. Okay, in second, sine and cosecant theta positive, remaining are negative. Okay, in this quadrant, third quadrant, tan theta and cot theta are positive, remaining are negative. In cos theta and secant theta are positive, remaining are negative. Just we need to remember this, and remember this. If any trigonometry ratio, like example sine theta plus 2 pi, then no change in its sign. If it is in odd power, like pi by 2, 3 pi by 2, 5 by 2 further, it will change in cos, and its sign depend on in which quadrant it goes. If it goes in second quadrant, it will be positive. If it goes in first quadrant, it also will still be positive, but if it goes in third and fourth quadrant, it will be negative. Okay, we will try to understand it. Okay, change will be only will be if it will be a multiple of 90. If sine theta means theta sine 90, it will be change in cos. Okay, wait, like this, sine theta plus 90, it will see what we are given. Sine 90 plus theta, it is 0, it is 90, means we are adding something theta. Let theta be an acute angle, means it is less than, it is between 0 and 90. So 90 plus something theta will be in this second quadrant, and as we know sine is positive in this, so sine will be changed in cos positive, not in negative. Cos theta. Okay, if it is like this, theta plus 90, see, it will be in this quadrant, cos 90 plus theta, but we see cos theta is negative in this, so cos will be changed in negative and it will change in sine. Similarly with all this, before we proceed, remember this: if theta is negative minus theta, so sine it will be negative, cosecant will also be negative, cos and secant will be positive, and tan and cot will also be negative. Remember this, both are negative and these are positive. Okay, before proceeding further, just remember this table. We will use this table for solving the question. Okay, I will make you understand this table first of all. Okay, first of all we will learn for sin theta 0 degree, after 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Okay, with just 0 by 4 in root, 1 by 4 in root, 2 by 4 in root, 3 by 4 in root and 4 by 4 in root. We get it as 0. It will be 1 by 2. It is 1 by root 2 and it root 3 by 2 and it is 1. Just take the square root and 0 by 4, 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4 and just solve it. And cos theta will be opposite of it, means 4 by 4 root, 3 by 4 root, 2 by 4 root, 1 by 4 root and 0 by 4 root. And 4 cosecant, as we know that reciprocal, also for secant reciprocal, and for tan theta and cot theta. Sin tan theta formula is sin by cos theta and cot is reciprocal of it. Just try to remember only these two. After that, just using this reciprocal formula and this formula, you will get the value of all. Okay, now we will solve some questions based on trigonometry ratios. Okay, we will try to solve this. First is sine 120. We will convert it as in pi by 2, means 90, or to pi 364. We can write it as 90 plus 30, as it will goes in second quadrant. As it goes in second quadrant, 0 degree, it is 90 degree, 270, 180, 270, and it is 360. 90 plus something. If there is 90, it will be changed as it is odd multiple of 90. Okay, and sine is positive in this, so will be positive. Sine change into cos angle 3. Its value is cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So we get our value. After that we will try to solve second. It is cos 210. We can write it as cos 180 plus 30. See, it will goes in third quadrant 180 and it is as cos and it is multiple of 1. It is 180, so there will be no change, as change only in 90 or multiple 90 to 70. In this change will be no change if it is 0, 180, 360. Okay, go in this quadrant and it is negative, means cos 30, cos this value. I will try to solve next question. It is cos this multiple of 360. Okay, we can write it as 3 into 2 pi minus 60 as pi by 3. Okay, cos 6 pi minus pi by 3. Okay, 6 pi means 0, 2 pi, 4 pi, 6 pi, and it is getting minus, means it will in this quadrant, and it is multiple of 2 pi, so no change, as also it's positive in its quadrant, so pi by 3 just 60 means 1 by 2. Now we'll proceed on our further part. Is this secant, this we can write it as 360. This means secant 4 into 2 pi plus 60 means this same 2 0 pi 2 pi 4 6 8 pi, and adding in this quadrant all are positive, so it will be secant pi by 3 means 60. It is 1 by 2. It is reciprocal of cos, so it is 2. Now we will try to solve this question. Remember, this is the changing line, this is not. Okay, now we will solve. We can write it as sin 4 pi minus it as cot 3 pi by 2, it as a sin 180 minus 30 pi by 6 into cos pi by 2 plus pi by 6. Okay, it as 4 pi, there is no change, it will be 0 pi 2 pi 4 pi, it will be same, means it is sin 0, and as we know sin 0 is 0. Cot 3 pi 2 0 pi by 2 pi 3 pi by 2. This is the change line, means it will be change code change in, okay, code change in 10, so it will change in 10. Wait, oh okay, there is no need to change it into 10, as still we will have to find its value, so just to change it in cos 3 pi by 2 and sin 3 pi by 2, it is 270 C. Okay, remember, see, sin 0, it will also be 0 in opposite. Sin 90 is 1 here, and its opposite will be minus 1. Right here it is as minus 1. And for cos 3 pi by 2, cos 0 is 1 here and opposite will be -1, and cos 90 is 0, its opposite will be 0. It is 0 here, means it is 0. 0 by this we get it as 0. See this pi minus we get in this quadrant, and for pi no change, it will be minus sign pi by 6, and pi by 6 is 30 and is minus 1 by 2, means 1 by 2 here negative, into cos pi by 2, means pi by 2 we have to change, it will be in sign, and it adding pi by 6 means in this quadrant cos is negative, in this quadrant means minus sign pi by 6, and pi by 6 is 1 by 2. Just solve 0 0 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2, we get 1 by 4. Okay, now we will try to solve these two questions. How we will solve it? As sign change in cos, cos change in sign. If there is 90 plus, okay, we can, or negative, sign 90 minus, okay, wait, okay, just solve here. Sin 90 minus 53, we will get it as sin 37, but see here is 90, as it goes in first quadrant by minusing, so change of sign means we need to have here cos, or if here is sin, here will be cos 37, but see we need sin 37, so just this sin 37 we will get it is cos, wait, okay, we were doing it right, sin, it will be cos, see sin 90 minus 53 will be cos 37, write it as sin 90 minus 53, okay, upon cos 53, we can write 37 minus, we will get it as this. Also using this as sign, if there is 90, addition with something or subtract with something or multiple of it, it will change in trigonometry. Other trigonometry means will change in cos 53, as it is in first quadrant, so will be positive. Cos 53, it will be 1. Just no need to get confused, just calm down and you just try to solve. See, it is 37, we can write it 90 minus 53, okay, 53, just sign 90 minus 53, and as it is 90, so there will be change of sign, just change thing. Now we will try to find value of x from this. X into cosecant 30. First we try to find all values. Cosecant 30, it is cosecant, yeah, it is cosecant 30 is reciprocal of sin 30. What is sin 30? Sin 30 is 1 by 2. Yes, 1 by 2 means we get 30 as 2. Now we will get this, it is reciprocal of cos 45, and cos 45 is 1 by root 2, we get cosecant as root 2. Same we find cos 45 is from here. Cos 45 is 1 by root 2 and sin 30 is root 3 by 2. Tan 30 by sin 30. What is sin 30? Sin 30 is 1 by 2 and cos 30 is root 3 by 2. It will be 1 by root 3 and tan 60 is sin 60 by cos 30. It is this. Okay, just putting all values in this. X into 2 का square into secant का square upon 8 into 1 by root 2 square into this square 10 का square minus में 1 by root 3 का square. Just solve it. 4 and 2 8x. 8 into 1 by 2 3 by 4 equal 3 minus 1 by 3. We will cut it and we will write it as 8x by 3 8. We get x as 1. Okay, I think you will got to understand. Okay, we will solve this. As we know that we solve trigonometry ratios with right angle triangle. Make a right angle triangle 90 degree and take this as 17 and it will be 73. A, B, C. Okay, we are given sin 17. It is perpendicular upon hypotenuse x by y. X and y. We will get base by Pythagoras theorem. Y square equal x square plus base square means base square is y square minus x square. It will be root y square minus x square. Okay, we have to solve this. Secant, it will be reciprocal of cos 17. So base upon hypotenuse means root y square minus x square upon me y and is 17. Okay, you can solve as like this. Treat it as base, it as perpendicular, it as hypotenuse. Okay, if you want to solve it other way, you can solve it as sine. You can write it as 19 minus 17 as from this 0 90. There change in odd multiple of 19. 90 means sine goes in first quadrant, all will be positive, so will change in cos 17. Cos 17 means base upon hypotenuse. Okay, base is y square minus x square upon y. Just subtract both. If we subtract both, we will get it equal to 0. I think we did something wrong in this question. Okay, wait a second. Okay guys, yeah, we have done mistake here. It will be base upon hypotenuse means. Okay, we will solve it again. Secant is y upon y square minus this minus y square minus x square upon y. Just take LCM. Okay, we will solve it. Take LCM. y square minus y square minus x square upon y into y square minus x square y square minus y square plus x square upon y into y square minus x square. We will get our value x square upon y into y square minus x square. Okay, now we will revise what we did. See, for trigonometry we will take a right angle triangle. Just remember sin theta is perpendicular hypotenuse. Sin theta is reciprocal of cosecant theta. Cos theta is base upon hypotenuse and the reciprocal of secant theta. Tan is perpendicular by base and the reciprocal of cos theta. This we will solve all and mean. Remember also this. All are positive in this. Sin and cosecant theta are positive in this, other are negative. Tan and cot theta are positive in third quadrant, other are negative. And here cos theta and secant theta other are negative. Remember main thing, for the odd multiple of 90 to 70 in this line there will be change of sin into cos, sin into cos, secant theta into cosecant theta, tan theta into cot. If it is of from this line 0, 180, 360, there will be no change. And remember these 0 by 4, 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4, 4, and reverse square root this. We will solve all the questions. Thank you for all. Like, share and subscribe.